This freaking camera will know which side's up. Of course, this is not as much fun to do without a sock.
Oh, okay. See this is a dry dish.
And this is an enough here.
Hey, watch your mouth, young man.
What? I like how he does it so much better. He can come over every night and do.
So, Jenna told me that Garrett is doing some poetry stuff. Yeah? Yeah. I was thinking maybe we could help go.
Can't decide which foot you want to make bleed?
Break from volleyball and television. Might have learned something. I'm in.
Ooh, learning. Cool.
I'll go.
Okay, you're disgusting.
No, that's just... Yeah. Well, it's your choice. We'd love to have you join us. And if it's okay, I think I'm just gonna pass.
He was cuddling on his side.
done. I gotta get home.
He's like, I want.
Wait, you want a piece?
And he wants to play with his brother.
That's very nice to meet you. Okay?
Yeah, nice to meet you, Wyatt.
It's.
No, he's licking me. And now he's biting. I guess he was taste testing.
And he's watching.
Apparently I have a spectator. It's like, fuck helping him. Yeah, you're tough. What the hell's up with these licking feet?
They're cats.
So?
Expect.
Of course they do lick their own ass, so. Okay, you're just weird now. Gotcha. Now what?
Cuddle time. It's cuddle time. Cuddle.
That guy is the only person I've been to.
You're cute.
Just be careful with him.
Kitty cute.
What's that supposed to mean?
Oh, he's the Italian.
So,
Well, as soon as it's not done, I mean.
yeah.
Next day. Just.
What? He's going further and further back. Dad.
Yeah, you're tough.
Dad. Cat's gonna go do a backflip on my arms.
Last time I did it, my boy lit his pants.
Yes.